Hello guys, I'm going to show you my pocket knives. Here's one. It's a hammer. Here, let's see if I can get this open. Right here. There's a whole bunch of things in it. Those, and then right here are some scissors. I can't get them out, but here is that. And then here's this one. I only have 2 pocket knives right now, but I can't find my other 3. Here's this one. There's like flat heads right there. And then there's a screwdriver. Let's close this. And here is this one. This is this. That's what it looks like. And a bottle opener. And then a corkscrew. And then there is a saw. Sorry. And there's a saw. Here are my knives open. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but here is what the hammer one comes with. It comes with these. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the hammer in it. Oh, here's the hammer, just like that. Okay. There it is. And here is this knife closed. There's this knife closed. The hammer knife is my favorite knife. And once I find my other 3 knives, then I'll show you guys the video with the hammer one, which is right here, and with this blue one. Bye.